Hey guys, today we'll be making oven baked barbecue ribs. If you'd like to learn how to make it, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. These are the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. I'm happy because you probably already have everything in your kitchen cabinets. First of all, I'm going to wear my gloves and put my meat in my oven tray. If you don't have an oven tray, you could just lay a piece of foil paper on a baking tray. Yeah, so I've washed my meat and I tried to trim off as much of the excess fat as I could, but yeah, time. So yeah, I'm seasoning the ribs with salt and the peppers, and then I'm going to crush my garlic inside and just massage everything together, like massage the spices into the meat like properly. You see how I do that very soon. But yeah, I forgot to mention my stock cubes, so I'm adding my stock cubes now before I massage everything together. So I'm just spreading everything out and I'm going to cover it with cling film and leave it on the countertop for 2 hours. I'm not putting it in the fridge. If you want to put it in the fridge, it's going to stay in there longer, so like for 4 to 5 hours, but I'm just going to leave this on the countertop for 2 hours. Since we're marinating on the countertop for 2 hours, we'll want to put our oven on at the 1 hour 45 minutes mark to preheat the oven. It's been 2 hours now, so I'm going to take off the foil, add the onions, then cover it with foil paper. Let's cover the oven tray with foil paper. If you used foil paper as your base instead of an oven tray, all you have to do is cover it with another piece of foil paper and create like a parcel. Like make sure it's sealed properly. 300 degrees 15 minutes before our marination time was up. So this is going into the oven for 3 hours. Don't be tempted to open it for any reason. Just leave it in there to work its magic, and trust me, it'll be worth it. It's 3 hours. Brace yourselves, brace yourselves. Please be very careful when you're opening this. We don't want any accidents in our kitchen. Please, 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 please. You want to get a bowl and a sieve so you can remove all the liquid from the tray. I didn't add any extra oil when I was marinating it, but the amount of fat that has rendered out is crazy. Like, you're going to see how much oil basically has come out of this thing, even without me adding oil to it. Time for the barbecue sauce. So I'm just going to pour the barbecue sauce directly on the beef ribs, and then I'm going to wear a glove and massage the barbecue sauce into the ribs. I find that using a brush doesn't really get the barbecue sauce to enter the meat well, and that's not what you want. No. So I'm massaging it properly, and then I'm going to pour it back into the oven tray, and then it would go in the oven for 10 minutes. Then I'll bring it out, turn the ribs over, like flip them over, and then take it back into the oven for another 10 minutes. Are finally ready. Before you serve, toss it in a little bit of barbecue sauce and enjoy. Thanks for watching this video. Stay blessed.